While Xiaomi shines in its flagships like the recently launched Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro, the company has gained popularity in many markets due to its affordable devices, which feature decent specs for little money. This is what made it unveil a new smartphone from the Redmi series of the economy class, and it will be called Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and it will be the direct successor to the Redmi 9C from last year. The phone features two camera lenses on the back and a Snapdragon CPU on the inside. On the front, you get a large 6.71-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1650 pixels and a dewdrop notch on the front that houses the selfie camera. From the latter, does it offer value for a price? This is what we answer in this video. Let's start with the design and manufacturing materials, where the Redmi 10C phone got a new design compared to the previous generation. The back and the side frame are made of plastic. The black camera bump is equipped with various elements including imaging sensors, LED flash and fingerprint reader. It also contains the Redmi logo. The side frame contains the power button, volume buttons, charging and speaker port, slides and memory stick. The front end comes with a V-notch and a large bottom edge. The dimensions of the phone are 169.5 by 76.5 by 8.3 mm with a weight of 190 grams, and the model comes in three color options: mint green, graphite gray, and ocean blue. However, what is disappointing in the design is Xiaomi switching the fingerprint scanner to the back instead of the usual power button. This is a significant reduction as many users prefer the side-mounted fingerprint reader. But others may see otherwise because, in the end, everyone has their own taste. The Redmi 10C has a 6.71-inch LCD screen with HD Plus 1650 by 720 resolution, with a pixel density of 268 ppi and a brightness of up to 400 nits. It is also a third-generation Corning Gorilla Glass protection layer. The screen supports reading mode to protect the eyes from harmful rays, in addition to other modes such as sunlight. In short, the screen is good and meets all your daily needs. However, it will not be the selling point that will make you buy this phone. But this is offset by the support of WIDAV and 1 Lira HD files, capable of streaming HD videos from Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, so you can enjoy watching your favorite movies in high quality and complete the fun with a powerful speaker. So, with the Redmi 10C, I will not say that it's the best screen, but in the budget category, you will get the best value for what you pay. A high-quality screen suitable for media consumption, whether you are watching the video, playing games, or browsing the social media. One of the main points of the Redmi 10C is the cameras. In terms of their specifications, there is nothing to worry about. Its tight back casing houses a square camera module that houses not only a dual camera system and LED flash, a 50-megapixel primary lens with an f1.8 lens slot with the Samsung S5 JN1 sensor, in addition to supporting 1080 video capture at 30 fps, supports panorama technology, HDR, and night mode. There is also a 2-megapixel OmniVision OV02B10 sensor with an f2.4 lens slot which is intended for isolation, while one 5-megapixel selfie camera is kept in the front with an f2.2 lens slot that supports 1080p and 30 fps video shooting. There is also a face recognition feature via the front camera and artificial intelligence, so that the lock screen is unlocked once the face of the owner of the device is recognized. If we talk about performance, Redmi 10C offers great performance in most of its basic and entertainment uses, such as browsing the web, watching videos on YouTube, using social media applications, as everything worked efficiently and without facing any problems with stopping applications or high degrees. The processing power on the Redmi 10C comes from Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 octa-core chipset with a 6nm manufacturing process. The chipset includes 4 Cryo 265 Gold at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cryo 265 Silver at 1.9 GHz. Qualcomm 600 series chips are often used on low and mid-range phones. This is combined with an Adreno 610 GPU, 4GB RAM LPDDR4X, or 64 or 128 gigs, UFS 2.2 onboard storage, with the ability to expand via microSD card, up to 1 TB. This phone will help deliver uninterrupted performance, no matter what it is, by adding a faster typing speed, which means faster installation and loading of all your favorite apps. Xiaomi Redmi 10C is a dual SIM smartphone equipped with a SIM slot that accommodates two 4G nano-SIM cards that support all bandwidth offerings of 4G and 3G, and so on, so it's expected that you will get wide coverage for calls and internet. In addition to having a microSD card on the same socket to connect to Wi-Fi networks, the Redmi 10C supports dual bandwidths of 2.4 and 5 GHz, and of course, there is Bluetooth 5.0. Other features include NFC functionality. The Xiaomi Redmi 10C is powered by a 5000 mAh battery with an 18-watt fast charger, charged through a USB Type-C port that can power the phone from empty to full battery in less than 2 hours. Supports OTG to connect storage units and accessories. As for its battery life, it can comfortably last for a day on average to heavy use. The phone comes with a 10-watt inbox charger, and an 18-watt charger is sold separately. If you ask me if the Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone is worth buying, or you can recommend, my answer is definitely yes. given that it is a budget smartphone with a stylish design and good processor, abundant memory up to 128 gigs, 4 gigs RAM, connectivity standards, a 6.71-inch HD Plus display, and a 50-megapixel dual rear camera. You get a powerful performance at a low price. So if you are looking for a low-cost phone at this time, you will not get anything better than Redmi 10C in this price range. The Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone is currently available on the AliExpress store for a very good price of $160. And to view his price or buy it, you can access the offer by clicking on the store by the link in description. Thanks for watching the review. If you found the video interesting and useful, then give it a thumbs up and leave any short comment. Good luck and see you soon.